Hi there, Chris here, and Suki. I wanted to do equal time here. I wanted to do a real quick pick on this ERA lock, and it is considered an insurance lock. Thank you, Coxie. It's just at some point they took the insurance off to avoid frivolous lawsuits. But it is still, this one is still considered an insurance lock. And it does seem to require more attention, but I wanted to do an Andy Mack pick with it using Andy's tools. So we'll get them in there. And this, we're using the yellow one, which is, I believe it's 1.4. I think his wires are 1.2, 1.4, 1.5, or close to 6. So this particular lock, let me make sure I got things going here. Seems to take a fair bit more tension. Now we're hung up. I'm not sure why we're hung up. Maybe I was not all the way in. Well, aren't you being cute? All right, let's go. There we are. So I have nice clearance. Bad picture. There we go. And for some reason, this one seems to want more attention. Got a little bit of movement. Getting down there. Zook. Oh boy. And we are in. So there you go. Like I say, the difference, this seems to want more attention than these other guys, but there could be a lot of factors where it's a little bit different model than these. I think it's probably close to the same model as this, but I think it was made at a different time. So we're gonna get our wire out. You can take your wire out, spin around, and you're out. So there you go. Thank you, Andy. Absolutely fantastic tools. Thank you, Suki, for all that support. I know it was tough, but hey. Anyway, hit the like, leave a comment. We will see you next time.